Alright, so this video, it's a little collection of videos that I found on my phone. People might, if you're posh, you call it a montage, I don't know, but it's a collection. Been through some old photos and some old videos on my phone and found a load from a few seasons back when I was going out with an old friend, Morley, call him the old master at the Harris game. And I thought I'd put them together in a little video because we haven't getting out this week, and it doesn't look like I'm going to get out this week on the farms. Managed to get flying in, but I've had a load of public work in, and the weather hasn't been great, so we haven't getting the hawks out working them this week. So I thought I would just put a little video together of a few seasons back, and we're on permission up in one of Morley's places. Actually, I'll not give it away in case he doesn't want it given away. And we're working ferrets, we're working the hawks over ferrets. So we're working one of my females, Big Harris. We're working my goshawk. There's a few clips of the goshawk on there. And Morley's little male Harris hawk. Get some great slips in it. There's plenty of action in it, really, plenty of good slips. Plenty of the rabbits getting away as well when they're outsmart. Now they've just out muscled the birds a little bit. But there's some kills on there. So, we're not kills, sorry, I'll rephrase that. There's some catches on there for anybody that's watching it that doesn't want to see it. That should give it away. If you didn't want to see anything, it's a hunting video. Didn't watch it, that's absolutely fine. Just didn't watch it and then complain, if that makes sense. And if you do like it, I hope you enjoyed it. It's from about 2 seasons ago, I think. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up, and please give it a subscribe. The more subscribes we get, the more thumbs up we get, the more it gives us a bit of a kick up the backside to make a few more videos. Cheers. Oh! Oh. Bolted. Just missed it. Go on. Just missed. Go on. Shot it gone. Aye, bolted, aye. Go on. Good girl. She wasn't far off that, like Stevie.
He's gone hard.
Oh, he's got it, he's got it.
He was gone hard there, mate.
Oh!
Yeah, John, I'll have to give him this one.
Oh!
Ooh. Got the sauce, didn't he? Missed it. I missed the slip. There. Oh, that was mint, that.
Oh. I just felt it kicking under here. There's that one come out and fucking darted back to me.
We've already got that one.
Aye.
You want to try this again on the corner and then we're going over the road?
Aye. Got it.
Run over, quick, run.
Oh, got it. Oh, he's gone back for a crack.
Another one here.
Is it?
Alright. Got that.
Oh, fuck. Whoa.
Fucking look at the speed of it, man.
What we're seeing there. Oh,
Going there, mate.
you Fanny's hair, that far there.
Going there, mate.
Oof.
God, he should have had that on the top of it. Hasn't it on?
Yeah, lucky bastard.
Straight on it, are you?